Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Scholar and signing in so your saves carry across devices. Once signed in, set library links to connect to your school or public library and choose language and results per page. This optimizes access to full text. Make sure My Library is enabled so you can save items immediately. Finally, enable citation, export formats like bibtx or EndNote. This prepares you to grab properly formatted references fast when you find relevant papers. Now search with purpose. Use quotes around phrases, author, last name for author-specific work, year ranges and cite, domain filters to narrow results. When you locate a paper, click the quote icon to display citation formats including MLA, APA, Chicago plus bibtx and RIS for reference managers. Copy the one your project needs. Save the result to My Library and add labels or a short note to track relevance. This keeps your project organized and makes batch exporting straightforward when you're ready to assemble references. To finish, export the saved items to your reference manager using bibtx or RIS. Import directly or drag files into Zotero, EndNote, or Mendeley. Once imported, verify critical fields, author names, capitalization, DOI, page ranges, and publication year, because automated imports sometimes misformat entries. If you encounter missing or incorrect data, search the publisher page or cross-ref to get authoritative metadata and manually edit the entry in your manager. This ensures citations are accurate before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.